Today we are going to discuss chapter 10 perimeter and area. In that the topic name is perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. See here in geometry we discussed a rectangle is a 2D figure, two-dimensional figure. We know it has length and breadth. Okay, so consider I'm giving the name here PQRS is a rectangle. So we know this is length and this is width or breadth. What we know the properties of a rectangle? The opposite sides are equal and parallel, means the length of SR is equals to PQ. Both are equal and as well as parallel. Okay now, and the side, these also both are equal and parallel. Clearly I am going to find the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle. So SR is length means, and PQ also what nano? Length. SP is breadth or width means, and QR also what nano? B. We know perimeter ante the sum of the lengths of all sides of a closed figure. Okay, now perimeter is nothing but the sum of the lengths of a all closed the sum of the lengths of a all sides of a closed figure. Okay, see here perimeter of a rectangle is equals to, I am going to add the all sides, lengths of all sides. What are that is PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Okay, now PQ means that is what ra? L and the length, plus QR means that is what ra? Breadth, plus RS means that is also length, plus SP means that is breadth. Now here L, two L's are there and two B's are there. So L plus L, that is 2L, plus B plus B, that is what now? 2B. 2L plus 2B. ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది. So that's why I want to take out the common 2. ఇక్కడ 2, ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది. That's why 2ని కామన్ తీసుకున్నా. Then what happened? 2ని కామన్ తీసేస్తే సింపుల్గా ఇక్కడ L ఉంటుంది, ప్లస్ here B is there. Okay, so therefore we can say that the perimeter of a rectangle is equals to what nana? That is 2 of L plus B units. This is the formula. Okay now students, this is the required formula for perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, now the next topic is finding the perimeter of a regular shapes. Finding the perimeter of a regular shapes. We know students, what is mean by regular shapes? In geometry what we learnt, మన geometry లో ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాం? What is the meaning of regular shapes? 2D figures లో regular shapes అంటే the figures having all sides and angles of a polygon. Regular shapes means all sides and angles of a polygon are equal. Then they are called what nana? Regular polygons or we can call it as a regular shapes. Okay na students, regular shapes ante all sides and angles of a polygon are equal, then they are called regular polygons or regular shapes. Now I am going to take the first one is square. First one what nana? The first regular polygon is what? That is square. We know in geometry we discussed a square is a regular polygon. A square is a regular polygon. Why? Because you see, I'm giving the name for this square. PQRS is a square. We know all sides equal. PQ, QR, RS, SP. All sides are equal and each angle is measures what nana? 90 degrees. Okay. PQ is equals to QR is equals to and RS is equals to SP. All sides are what nana? Any sides equal, and as well as angle P is equals to, angle Q is equals to, angle R is equals to, angle S is equals to what nana? 90 degrees. ఇవన్నీ వచ్చేసి ఈక్వల్ అండ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఆల్ యాంగిల్స్ ఆల్సో మెజర్స్ 90 degrees. As per definition, a square is a regular polygon. Now see its perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but sum of the lengths of all sides of a polygon. So I am taking here a perimeter. Simply I am taking perimeter. Perimeter is equals to sum of the lengths of all sides. So for your convenient purpose, I am taking a side. The side of a square is I am taking A. Ante A ante what now? That is, you can understand it as a side of a square. Now what is the sum of the lengths of all sides? Means that is PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. PQ means what nana? That is A. Already I told that all sides are equal. So if I PQ is A means then remaining sides also what nana? A. All sides are equal means A plus A plus A plus A. So that is 4 A's are there. That's why what nana? That is 4A. Means that is what? 4 into length of any side. Length of any side. So perimeter of a square is equals to, what is the formula? That is 4 into length of any side of a square. Okay na? Units. What are the units? Akkada ఏది ఇస్తే అది. ఓకేనా? సెంటీమీటర్ అయితే సెంటీమీటర్, మీటర్ అయితే మీటర్. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ షేప్. The next regular polygon is a equilateral triangle. What nana? Equilateral triangle. Okay. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. Means because of in a equilateral triangle 3 sides are equal and as well as 3 angles also equal. Okay. So you take like this triangle XYZ. Okay na? Triangle XYZ is a equilateral triangle. Means all sides are equal. XY, YZ, ZX. All sides are equal. అంటే 1 dash 1 dash 1 dash. What is the meaning? ఇక్కడ నేను ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ ఒక గీత పెట్టాను అంటే 1 dash 1 dash 1 dash అంటే all sides are equal and as well as each angle is measures what nana?
90.
Yes, that is 60 degrees. Okay. XY is equals to YZ is equals to ZX. All sides are equal and as well as angle X is equals to, angle Y is equals to, angle Z is equals to what nana? 60 degrees. Then only 3 6 are 18 అంటే 180 degrees. Angle sum property of a triangle you are going to learn in upcoming classes. The sum of the angles of a triangle that is equals to 180 అంటే 60 60 60 3 6 are 18 అంటే 180 degrees అనేది ఈక్వల్ ఉండాలి. ఓకేనా? సో నౌ హియర్ all sides of a equilateral triangle are equal. So I am taking here a side of a equilateral triangle is S. Then automatically the length of xy is S, the length of yz also S, the length of zx also S, because of all sides are equal. Now perimeter is equals to sum of the lengths of all sides. Any sides manam add cheyali. What is the first side here? One is xy plus another is yz plus another is zx. Okay, xy plus yz plus zx. ఇక్కడ xy అంటే what nana, that is s, plus yz means what nana, that is also s, plus zx means what nana, that is also s. అంటే 3s. ఇక్కడ అన్ని because of I taken the length of xy is s, so that's why 3 sides equal కాబట్టి s means that is 3s. okay na, you don't understand it as a 35, this is what nana, s, it's not a 5. okay, so we can write it as 3 into s అంటే the length of
3 sides.
length of any side. okay, length of any side of a triangle, length of any side of a equilateral triangle. The perimeter of a equilateral triangle is equals to 3 into length of any side of a equilateral triangle. okay, now see some examples here. Examples I'm taking here. Exercise 10.1. otherwise I'm taking my own examples. In first figure, you consider a rectangle. The length of a rectangle is given 20 centimeter and the breadth of a rectangle is given 10 centimeter. Then what is its perimeter? We know the perimeter of a rectangle, that is equals to 2 of L plus B units. okay, this is the formula. Perimeter P ante that is what nana, perimeter is equals to 2 of L, the length of a rectangle is 20 centimeter plus the breadth of a rectangle is 10 centimeter. units అన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనం సెంటీమీటర్ రాస్తాము. so perimeter is equals to 2 of 20 plus 10 means what ra, that is 30 centimeter. so P is equals to 230 are what nana, 60 centimeter. అంటే perimeter ఏమొచ్చింది, you get 60 centimeter. so this is the perimeter of a rectangle formula. now taking one more example, that is this time I am taking a square. okay, TENT. okay na, so TENS is a square. TENS is a square. The length of a side of a square is given here 5 centimeter. We know in a square all sides are equal. so what is the perimeter of a square? That is 4 into length of any side, length of any side of a square. This is the formula. 4 into length of any side of a square means that is perimeter is equals to 4 into length of any side of a square and
5.
that is given what none here, 5 centimeter means 4 5s are what are 20 centimeters. so this is the perimeter of a rectangle square formula and this is the required answer. now see one more question. this time in third I am taking here an equilateral triangle. Triangle DEF. Triangle DEF is a equilateral triangle, means all sides are equal. okay, the length of equilateral triangle, one of the side is given here 15 centimeter. okay, then what is its perimeter? Means perimeter is equals to P P అంటే పెరిమీటర్, పెరిమీటర్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ నాన్న, ఇలా 3 సింగిల్ లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయంటే 1 dash 1 dash 1 dash means you can understand it as a equilateral triangle. The sides are equal, each angle measures 60 degrees. Okay, now perimeter is equals to 3 into length of any side of a equilateral triangle. Simply that is what nana, ET. Now perimeter is equals to, that is 3 into length of any side of a equilateral triangle.
15.
That is what nana, the length of any side annappudu oka side water, that is 15. So that is 3 15s are what nana, 45 centimeter. Okay na students. So regular polygons ki manam ila formulas use chestam. Non regular polygons ki by simply adding the sum of all sides of a polygon we can find the perimeter. Okay na. So you to take your own examples and try and find the perimeter. Thank you students.